capture card, but my voice won't record when I was trying to record videos. So I have to now. I'm gonna have to figure out if I could like record my voice while I'm playing video games, because this I'm not playing a video gamer. If I press OK, you can't hear me. So yeah, you're not able to hear me. So I might have to do something. I don't know what I have to do, but I have to do something. Wait, now I have an idea. I don't know. I'll post this video though. So, yeah. See you next time. Probably next time you'll hear my voice. So, my beautiful voice. So, bye. Bye. Damn. How am I gonna stop that? Yeah, in the background, that's Borderlands. I recorded some Borderlands, but then I recorded for like 20 minutes. And then I found out there's no audio. So I should have just tested it first. Alright, well, bye.